Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to create an awesome edge glitch transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, go to Effects, then drag into Adjustment Clip onto your timeline, and place it above your video clips. Now go back to Effects and search for Edge Detect, and apply it to Adjustment Clip. Then right-click on the adjustment clip and select the change clip duration and set it to 1 second. Then duplicate the adjustment clip by holding the Alt plus drag. Then move it in 1 frame forward. Then duplicate it again and move it to 2 frames forward. Then, select the middle adjustment clip and open the inspector and enable the edge mask overlay and set the gamma to a lowest value. Then, you've successfully created an edge glitch transition in DaVinci Resolve. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.